That scary word we've all heard in the world of music production. You solo a couple layers, open a correlation meter, and boom. Panic sets in. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Phasing has always existed. And it's not the enemy. What is phasing? Phasing happens when two similar audio signals interfere with each other due to timing differences, and it can cause cancellation or weird stereo effects. But guess what? That's been happening since the dawn of recording. From Abbey Road to Studio One, from analog tape to digital DAWs, phasing never stopped legendary music from being made. Listeners don't hear phase. They feel emotion.
Here's a reality check. Your average listener, they don't have a phase meter. They're not listening for waveform cancellation. They're vibing. They're dancing. They're feeling something. That's what matters.
Today, we've got tools to detect and fix phasing in seconds. Auto-align, polarity flips, track delays, and all kinds of metering. But that doesn't mean you have to fix everything. Sometimes that phasey sound, it adds depth, width, grit, character. So use your ears, not just your eyes. Phasing isn't just a problem, it's a weapon. Flangers, phasers, stereo widening, chorus, all of it is built on phase manipulation. Think of it as seasoning. Used right, it brings flavor. Used wrong, yeah, it can get messy. But fear, that's not the answer. So the next time you see a wonky-looking phase meter, don't panic. Ask yourself, does it sound good? Does it feel right? If yes, then don't let phase theory kill your creativity. Phasing has always been part of the sound. And great producers, they don't fight it, they use it.